Monkey eating banana. Peaceful chew. Happy life. Monkey freeze. Monkey look at ceiling. Monkey look at chest. Monkey say, who pressed that? What just happened? Monkey not sick. Monkey not dying. Monkey body just glitched. Under monkey ribs lives big, flat muscle named diaphragm. Diaphragm job, pull air in, push air out. Like elevator. Up, down, smooth, professional. But sometimes elevator breaks. Air jumps early. Air rushes in fast. Throat door slams shut. That noise? That's your throat saying no entry. But who told muscle to jump? Muscle doesn't jump alone. Muscle listens to brain wires. Brain wires are like cheap headphones. One bend equals static sound. Chaos. Monkey causes chaos by eating banana too fast, drinking fizzy bubble juice, swallowing air like vacuum, eating spicy thing, and acting brave. Laughing mid-drink. Monkey regret life choices. Stomach stretches like balloon. Balloon pulls wires. Wires panic. Wires shout, move now. Monkey obeys. Monkey did not approve this message. But sometimes it doesn't stop. One hiccup makes next hiccup easier, like microphone, too close to speaker. Wire excited, monkey jump, cycle begins, monkey waits harder, monkey gets angry, monkey makes body tense. Tension feeds loop. So when humans say, just stop hiccuping, monkey want throw banana. But monkey try strange rituals, hold breath, drink water upside down, get scared by cousin. Why do these work sometimes? Not magic, just brain distracted. Holding breath, carbon dioxide rises, brain says focus on breathing, cold water, nerve shock, reset button. Scare, brain emergency mode, hiccup program deleted. Brain says hiccup forget, tiger might be here. No tiger, but hiccup gone. Ancient monkey theory. Some scientists think hiccups are old monkey software from baby days, from tadpole days, from practice breathing days, programs still in body, mostly useless now, like alarm clock from 1997. Sometimes loop does not leave. Hours pass. Days pass. Monkey tired. Monkey annoyed. Monkey sleep broken. This is chronic hiccup. This mean problem is not banana. Problem is wire stuck on. Why wire stuck? Brain irritation. Chest or stomach sickness. Nerve pressed. Stretched or angry. Body chemistry off balance. Rarely brain problems. Now monkey scared of wires. But monkey not panic. Monkey pay attention. If hiccups last more than 2 days, or not sleep, or make eating hard, monkey must see human doctor. Doctor job? Find why wire screaming, not just silence noise. Hiccups are not enemy. They are body saying, system confused, rebooting. Monkey relax. Monkey breathe slow. Monkey stop fighting. Silence. Monkey smile. Banana eating resumes. If you like body glitches, Monkey explains why poop also gets stuck. Watch the video here.